Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Hello there, and welcome to the WEDway Walker. In today's video, I'm taking you on a ride on Star Wars Rise of the Resistance at Disney's Hollywood Studios. That said, let's get going.
Any significant value or meaning.
Blue, 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 orange, 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 silver, silver,
Oh yes,
silver,
speaking of bags,
silver.
I forgot you are wearing one.
Spies, look down the colors you were assigned. You will find those same colors inside the cell, so it's vital to know what you're looking for. At this time, if any of you have any bags, when I say bags, that means backpacks, purses, anything that looks like a bag, acts like a bag, it is a bag. If you do not know if you have a bag, you do. Take it off, hold it in your hand for the remainder of your interrogation. Any and all bags, remove and hold on to. Also, anything on your head, remove as well. Bags or anything on your head, remove, spies. There we go. It's not that complicated.
How'd they switch it up like that?
Leave us. Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Right this way, follow me. Alright, recruits, find your color. Blue and red on your left, blue and red on your left. Silver and orange to your right, silver and orange to your right.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We were breaching detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. The destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. No, scout for his cockpit.
There you have it, folks. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and remember, your future hasn't been written yet, so make it a good one.